Hi everyone. Are you still pressing the spacebar again and again to align text in Illustrator? There's a much faster and more professional way. Let me show you how to use tabs to align any list perfectly in just a few clicks. Tabs are extremely useful when creating menus, price lists, tables, product catalogs, and any design where text needs to line up neatly without manually adding spaces. I already have a simple menu list on my artboard. Right now, the item numbers, food names, and prices are not aligned properly. To open the Tabs panel, go to the Window menu, Type, and Tabs. The Tabs panel will appear above the selected text frame. If the ruler doesn't align correctly with your text box, click the magnet icon. This will snap the ruler to the exact width of the selected text frame. Now, let's quickly understand the different tab types. The first icon is the left align tab. Text starts from the tab position and extends to the right. The second icon is the center align tab. The third icon is the right align tab. The fourth icon is the decimal tab, which is mainly used for aligning numbers based on their decimal point. For this example, we'll mostly use the left align and right align tabs. First, select all the text. Now I'll create 3 tab stops. The first tab stop will be for the item numbers. The second tab stop will be for the food names. And the third tab stop will be for the prices. Now let's apply the tabs. I'll place the text cursor at the beginning of the item number and press the tab key. Notice how the item number jumps directly to the first tab stop. Next, I'll place the cursor between the item number and the food name and press tab again. The food name moves directly to the second tab stop. Then I'll place the cursor between the food name and the price and press tab once more. The price automatically moves to the third tab stop. I'll repeat the same process for all menu items. As you can see, everything is now aligned much more cleanly. However, the prices are still not perfectly aligned because each number has a different width. To fix this, select all the text again, create a right align tab stop, and then press the tab key before each price. Repeat the process for all menu items, and you'll get a clean, professional alignment. You can also move these tab stops at any time by simply dragging them to a new position. Another useful feature is the leader option. Select a tab stop, enter any character in the leader field, and Illustrator will automatically fill the empty space with that character. This is especially useful for creating dotted lines in menus and price lists. If you ever want to reset your tab settings, click the menu icon in the top right corner of the Tabs panel and choose Clear All Tabs. You can also check hidden characters by going to Type Show Hidden Characters. These symbols reveal tabs, spaces, paragraph breaks, and other invisible formatting marks. The arrows represent tab characters, while the dots represent spaces. Before working with tabs, always make sure your text doesn't contain unnecessary spaces, as they can affect the alignment. You can go back to the Type menu and hide hidden characters. One more important thing to remember: if only the Type tool cursor is active and you move a tab stop, the change will apply only to the current line where the cursor is placed. If you want the tab changes to affect the entire list, make sure all the text is selected before moving or editing any tab stops. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.